Man, I swear every year I'm like, you know what? I'm done with sneakers. I'm only gonna cop like 5 or 6 pairs of Jordans of the year. Then we get news like this, man. Air Jordan 1 Black Toe Reimagined. Can you guys just think about that release right there? You guys already know it's about to be another huge problem like the Air Jordan 1 Chicago Lost and Founds. Let's get into today's video, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tuning into yet another video. You guys already know we coming to you guys direct with the latest rumor mill as far as sneakers of the year, and we gotta talk about this one. When I seen this news, I'm just scrolling, you know what I'm saying, I'm just chilling, scrolling on Twitter, and then I see that we are scheduled to get rumored to get the Air Jordan 1 Black Toe, and I seen Reimagined. I said, oh my god, here we go again. And the first thing that popped in my head is the last release we just got with the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. So as you guys can see right here, man, we have the Lost and Founds, and I know a lot of people are still out there dealing with the whole release date trauma. Like, this release had to have been the worst release of all time, and I don't know if it was because of Chicago or it's because of message or because it was a reimagined. I don't know what had happened, but the hype, the demand for the sneaker just outweighed everything that Nike had on the app. You guys already know how the FLX apps went, JD Sports and all that, man. There was so many L's passed down. I gotta just imagine what's about to happen with the Black Toe Air Jordan 1 Reimagined. So something to expect with the whole Reimagined line. You guys already know you got the worn box, you got the worn sneakers, you know what I'm saying, you got the crackle leather on the back, as you guys can see here. And then I think something that they really wanted to show is that off-whitish, that sellish colorway with the laces, the tongue, and even the midsole of the Chicagos. We're gonna see the same thing on the Black Toe Air Jordan 1s, man. That sneaker right there, I actually had them. I hit for retail, and I'm gonna try to put a screenshot up here if I can. I hit for retail for the Black Toe Air Jordan 1s on Nike sneakers that way back in the day. I think they dropped in 2016 or 2017 if I'm not mistaken, but I ended up selling them. And guess how much I sold them for? Y'all won't believe this. This is back when I didn't know anything about StockX, GOAT, resale market. I sold them for $250. You guys see the resale right here. I'm gonna put it right here. You guys know I took a huge L. I could have sold any other shoe. I was like, you know what? I don't really want the black toes right now, and I sold them for $250, which is crazy. If you guys don't know, I'm selling a lot of shoes out of my personal collection for around that same price range. So if you want to hit me up, you want to get some Yeezys, you want to get some Jordan 1s or whatever on my closet page, make sure you go tap in the vintage_closet. Get you some steals and deals out of my personal sneakers, out of my personal collection, man. But yeah, man, I need more boxes like this. I need more releases like the Lost and Found Chicago, just because it brought the excitement back for sneakers. It kind of brought me back into wanting shoes a little bit more. I feel like they did an excellent job with the presentation, the whole backstory, and everything with the Lost and Founds, along with the Air Jordan 4 I'm on my years. Those two sneakers was like, I had to have them. I needed them. I ended up having to pay resale, but you know, sometimes you had to pay resale. You can't get everything, because if everything, you know, was mad available, then I guess nobody will be that excited for the shoe, if that makes sense. I'm not saying that's true for every single sneaker, but I do think like the Lost and Founds, I'm on my years, Travis Scott sneakers like that, I don't think everybody should have a pair. So I'm kind of happy that they didn't make them that available. They didn't mass produce these sneakers that I'm talking about. Man, I had to grab them. I already even forgot I had the Air Jordan 1 low black toes. And if I am not mistaken, you guys can correct me if I'm wrong, didn't we get like a rumor last year that the Air Jordan 1 low black toe is releasing, and now we getting these rumors that the Air Jordan 1 Black Toe Reimagined are dropping? Like, bruh, Nike, I gotta take my hats off to y'all. Y'all killing it with the releases. Y'all killing it with the whole backstories, the whole spinoffs. I'm loving it. I'm glad they're not just giving us the same old retro sneaker. Switch it up, give us something else to like, and give us something else to rock and add to our collections, man. I think it's super dope. But here you have it, Air Jordan 1 low black toes. The leather quality wasn't too good on these, but like I said, I sold my black toe Air Jordan 1 highs, so I had to resort to these. I don't know why I sold them. I'm still trying to think back, like, bro, why did I sell them for $250? I don't know what's going on, but I definitely sold them, man. Huge L for your boy. And another huge rumor that we did see is that the Air Jordan 1 Royals will be dropping in the reimagined theme as well in 2024. I'm like, bro, Jordan, man, I gotta give you guys a round of applause, because I'm loving what I'm seeing right now. Like, y'all switching it up even with the Air Jordan 3 white cement, you know what I'm saying, with the reimagined look, I'm just in love with it, bro. Like, y'all got me wanting to buy sneakers again. Like, it ain't gonna be a 3 to 4 pair of sneakers to buy for the year. It's gonna be more like that 10 to 15 range, because I feel like in 2023, this year, the releases are a lot better than the previous year. Like last year, I think the release is just a little bit better. That's just in my opinion. You gotta think, we getting the playoff 8s, we getting the reimagined Air Jordan 3s, we getting the reimagined Air Jordan 1 black toes. We got a lot of heat scheduled to drop this year, and I'm hearing we're gonna be getting the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blues, man. Like, bruh, I can't wait. I'm so excited for this year in releases, and I'm going to be dropping most anticipated list coming very, very soon. Just, you know what I'm saying, kind of recap all the sneakers that I'm going to be trying to go after, and I'm going to be showing you guys sneakers that I feel like are on a lot of people's radar for 2023. So yeah, man, reimagined Air Jordan 1 Royals. Here go the original Royal ones. You know, you got that glitter effect going around the sneaker, and these joints is just dusty. Got to pull them out, got to rock them. But now you about to get a reimagined look in 2024, rumor has it, and the Air Jordan 1 black toe. That's what I'm excited for, because I don't have the black toe 1 high, so I need this reimagined spinoff. I know the release is going to be a very, very crazy one, but you guys let me know down below in the comment section, what do you feel about the 2 crazy rumors about the Air Jordan 1 Royal reimagined and the Air Jordan 1 black toes? Your boy is excited. I cannot wait to see what happens. You guys let me know down below in the comment section all your thoughts and opinions over these huge, crazy sneaker rumors. And subscribe to the channel right now if you're new, and hit the notification bell. You shouldn't miss out on any more videos that we drop like this. We got a couple of early reviews coming very soon near you to let you guys know what is coming out as far as Jordan brand releases in 2023. Give you guys a little bit of early look so you can tap in, so you can see how you rocking out with them before the actual release. Leave a huge like on today's video. To go for every video is 500 likes. Now I know we can crush that, so right now if you're watching, man, spam them likes up, spam them comments, and we're gonna hit that 100K before you know it, man. My Instagram and my Twitter, all my social media links, including my clothing brand, will be down below in the description box, so go tap in on all my social media. And with all that being said, man, I appreciate you for tapping in. I'm gonna catch you in next video. Peace.